Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. I just finished listening to a podcast, so I was kind of crafting while I did that, and then I moved some of the pieces that I finished out. I did post them on Instagram, like I promised. So if you wanted to see what else I did besides, I did glue these on. They're on Instagram. I think I'm going to put a ribbon on the knob, and I'm trying to put a ribbon on this one, but here's what I know. These are chunky monkey fingers. It's really hard to make a little tiny bow with chunky monkey fingers. Like I keep, there we go. Maybe I got it. Maybe I needed you guys. No, it still looks terrible. Anyway, maybe I'll just make a fake bow and glue it to the front. So I bought myself new headphones, right? Immediately, my child is like, I really wanted to listen to some music. I don't want to disturb you. No. I told her she can't have these. No, you can't use them. I don't ever want to see them on your head. Now, before you guys think I'm a terrible mother, the child has AirPods. She hasn't charged them. So, not my problem. You have top-of-the-line AirPods. These are mommy's. I rarely buy nice things for myself. I bought these for myself because the ones that go in my ear hurt my ears. So I bought myself over-the-ear headphones, noise-canceling headphones, so I could listen to my stuff. And the next day, it's the next day. Yeah. I just wish I could have a nice pair of headphones. You have a nice pair of headphones. Never. I'm never giving them up. And as a mother, you're always like, oh, fine, use my stuff, take my stuff. She takes my makeup, she takes my clothes, which I am significantly larger than her, so it's weird. But she takes my clothes, she takes my makeup, she takes my, you name it, pens, craft supplies, you name it, she takes it. This is mine. This is mine. She's taken my iPad because it was better than her iPad, so I changed iPad. No more. No more. Mine. So, mommy's being selfish. I'm being selfish, and I don't care. So selfish, and I'm going to craft today. I have the white trees. These little numbers all needed to be uncrushed. So they just finished drying. And then I've got my deer that I picked up. Oh, I glued stuff to it already. Got my deer that I picked up and all the other pieces. These glasses are not going to work for me today. That I'm gonna craft today. I've got a whole day to sit here and glue crap to crap. So essentially my idea of crafting is I'm gonna glue crap to crap. That's crafting 101 right there. I gotta change my glasses though because these are the new glasses and the bifocal isn't right. So they're actually hurting my eyes to look down. Let me go get my other glasses. So today I actually want to do a little pink vignette with the deer. Feeling pink today. And to do that, I've got this little tart mold or jello mold or just, it's a mold of some kind. And then I put floral craft floral foam in the bottom to make a stand because I'm gonna set them on top of this. But I found this felt, and I'm going to put that in the bottom because, I mean, floral craft foam. I don't have any, on my words, use the words. I don't have any base that's going to look good with the pink. I don't have any white or silver tinsel. I have this. It's not enough to fill this. So I had no base to stand them on. And what I thought I'd do then is put the white in there. I've got glitter. I've got glue. I'm going to make this as pink as possible. Okay, so those of you who've been here a while have seen me do the glitter trick many times. Those of you who are new here, Mod Podge glitter, I have a video tutorial on how to glitter like a pro, and it's a great way to get a nice thick coat of glitter. And I mean, you can see I spread that like frosting. So now you're going to take some of this. This is still going to dry. But while that's drying, you can take a little bit of this. Figure out how much we're going to use. I don't think I'm going to do the pink trees because the pink trees were pretty intensely pink. I am going to use the pink ornaments on there and the pink deer. So let's figure out, while this is drying, this is going to take a while. It's going to take a hot second. What? See, here's my deer. Here's my pink deer. And they have silver glitter on them. So we can use silver, we can use pink. So I think these are the right shade of pink. I'm going to take this off. The gold is distracting me. Do I want to get that thing off his back? Do I think I can get the thing off his back? Ooh. Okay. I got it up. So somewhere behind me now. Okay. I like the tall one. Ooh, I wish we had a silver tree. I don't have a silver tree. Do I? I think I sold all of them. You know, I have silver spray paint. Turns out you can spray paint these trees. And they look pretty decent. So I went ahead and used silver spray paint and spray painted one of the trees so that at least it matches the rest. I might glitter it too. Hang on. I got glitter I can spray. Wet spray paint, diamond dust glitter. Perfect. Now it's glass, it's silver and shiny. Perfect. That's what I want. So I just sprinkled diamond dust glitter on it because it was already wet spray paint. Bing. I sometimes got to think before I do things. But yeah, that worked out perfectly. And I'm just realizing that this means all of the years that I spent bleaching and dyeing trees, I could have just spray painted them any color I wanted to. I'm not proud of the fact that took me that long to figure out. I mean, I just kind of went with what everyone else was doing, which was we're going to bleach the trees and we're going to dye the trees, and we could have just spray painted them. Really, really a shame that I didn't try that sooner. It looks really pretty too. I mean, it's perfect. Well, let's get some gold spray paint on her. Oh, rose gold. I have rose gold trees. Oh, we're going to have sparkly trees. Imagine intense sapphire glitter. Shimmer paint, not glitter paint. I'm going to put some glitter on that. I'm pretty embarrassed it took me this long to do this. So now we know we can make truly one-of-a-kind bottle brush trees. My sapphire one is sitting over here with, I put deep blue glitter and diamond dust glitter on it. So it's drying. It smells like spray paint now. The silver doesn't because it's the Martha Stewart spray paint. I'm going to set these aside for now. I am really sitting here being bummed out that it took me that freaking long to figure this out, because I will tell you what, the last warm days, I would have had these bottle brush trees out in the backyard and I would have been spraying the crap out of them. I would have had color shift paint out there. I would have had rose gold. I would have been out there spraying every freaking tree I could get my hands on to make. What about all white? I'm guessing the green would cover too. But both of these were done in white, the deep blue and this one, and it covered like a dream. I'm just kicking myself. You don't even know. While all of that dries, because I'm still waiting for the glitter on here to dry, waiting for the tree to dry. I can't glue anything to this until this actually finishes drying, which may take a while because that's a lot. While that dries, I'm going to take one of the tart molds that we bought for our other crafts, these little round ones, and I'm just going to fill it, you know, with like garland. And I still had all that garland left from making the wreath and the tree, so I'm not going to use this. See? Still had some left, so I think I'm going to fill this with green. And we're gonna stick some garland in there. So I could do another green tree on it. Or we could put some red ornaments with it. That would probably be better. I have gold ones too, though. Gold might be cute. So these mini ornaments were 50 cents. They were from Walmart and they were originally 97 cents. So I paid more than half the original price. But they're even smaller. Let's do it. Let's just do it. Okay. Metal tart tin and hot glue. Ooh, that tin is hot. I'm going to move this towards the back. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Wait, there's more. I have these, remember? I think I'm going to take the little red beads off this. It's a little better. I don't know. Whatever. Sure. Oh. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Anyway. So it's a little tart tin. I think I might be high from the fumes. So I am going to shut down and let this stuff dry for a minute. Miss Margot is enjoying her first snowfall that's going to actually accumulate today. This is your first snow, huh, baby? Yep, first snow. I think she likes it, though. You got your first snowfall? Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.